look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. It has been a couple of days that I picked up my camera last, just because I've just been all over the place, okay? But today is Saturday and I'm about to step out. My friend Blessing of BB Artistry is having a little get-together thing for her twin boys. They turn 1 today. I don't forget when they were just born, but they turn 1 year old today, and she asked me to just, and she told me to stop by if I could. I really would have loved to go with Mia Rose, but I'm not sure of my movements after her place, so I don't want to be taking Mia around and around, up and down the whole place. I will touch her place briefly and then do everything else I need to do today. But yeah, I'm wearing this shirt dress, by the way. This shirt dress that one of my subscribers that came for a day with Almangu gave to me on that day as a gift. I love it so much. This is like my vibe. I love like easy breezy outfits. It's so pretty, like so pretty. It's got unicorns on it, right? Very, very nice. I really, really love it. Something is off with my makeup today. I'm not sure what it is. Okay, right, I didn't line my waterline but to be honest, I think I look okay. I'm going to go out like this, so I will just wear my earrings and head out. Hopefully the sun is not as hot today. Abuja has been really hot recently. I really hope I will not regret wearing this long sleeve today. I really love this outfit. My husband has been admiring this outfit since I wore it. I will leave the handle on the screen just in case you are interested in patronizing her. I will leave her handle on the screen. All right, so my earrings have brought this look together. All right guys, let's go.
Thank you so much for coming, girls. My love, anytime. You know now. You know.
I know I do.
Hey. The only one is dancing. The other one is like, what the hell is happening here?
Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the stars? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we've been wasted all the time.
what's up? Hope you guys are doing good. Today is Sunday and I'm just about to create content. I'm working for a very exciting brand and I'm just about to create the content that they paid me to create. Let me show you guys this brand. I'm sure those of you on my Instagram would already know what brand this is, but let me just show you real quick. Yeah, so I am working with I'm working with Get Fit. Okay, you guys will know this brand. They do waist trainers, body shapers. They work with your favorite influencers, especially like your Big Brother influencers and all of that. Yeah, I'm working with them. We're going to be creating a photo post for them. So this is, I've not even tried this on yet. This is the waist trainer or waist shaper or body shaper that I'm going to be using to create this content. I just did something simple on my face. I'm not even wearing lashes because I just feel like does this picture need lashes? I don't think so. So I just did something really clean and simple with my makeup, but made sure that I lined my eyes and wore enough mascara so that I don't miss not having lashes on. And I feel like this is okay. I whipped out my blonde hair because I just really want this photo to pop. I could have worn any other wig, any other color, but I just wanted to wear the blonde. I just really wanted this photo to pop on Instagram, and I think by the time this vlog would have gone up, that picture should have gone up. Just straightening my hair a bit so that when my photographer, aka so that when my photographer, aka my husband, takes pictures, editing wouldn't be too hard, you know. So I'm just trying to make sure that I perfect everything. Yeah. Oh, look at that. See this hair. I don't regret buying this hair, you guys. Like, I do not regret it. It always answers me. Like, it always answers me. I feel like I've worn it so much that I think I might have to revamp it soon. So I will just take it for washing because I can see, like, you know, brown foundation makeup streaks in the front. This thing was like close to white when I bought it, but makeup and most likely dirt has started to settle in. So I think I might take it to be revamped very soon, you know, washed and styled and revamped basically. So yeah, let me hurry up and do this and go take my picture.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. It's literally only 10 a.m. right now and I'm heading out. See guys, I'm feeling myself today. Like, I am feeling my look today. I'm not even wearing, like, this look is a very simple look, but with the sunglasses, the hair, like, I'm just feeling myself today. I'm just going to run some errands. So yeah, a couple of errands, bank runs. I need to go and take a specified passport photograph for something, so I have to go to like a proper studio to do that, where they already have the specs for that. And then what else? Oh yeah, I need to go and send these goodie bags to the winners. I would have just dispatched them to be sent, but there are certain things I like to just do on my own, do you get? And this is one of them, so I'll be going to send these on my own. Let me see, what else do I have to do? I have a lot to do, but I feel like I will not be able to do everything today, so let me just do the one that I can do. And yeah guys, how do I look today, guys? Let me know in the comments section below. Like, these days I don't know what it is, but these days I'm falling in love with myself so much. I know that's a bit vain, but I have fallen in love with myself so much these days. Like, more, a speck and more, please, a speck and more. Okay, meanwhile, this hair is still giving. This hair from Julieta hair collection, it's still giving. always transforms my look from 0 to 100 real quick. But anyway guys, let's run. I don't want to be out for hours and hours on end. Let me just see what I can do within the next 3 hours, and yeah, let's go.
Focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
I just got to GIG, guys. I'm tired at this point, eh? Let me just send these bags, and from here I'll be going home. Thank God I've had something to eat already. So it has been a very productive day. I won't even lie, it has really been a productive day today. Let me show you guys my passport. I don't think I've taken a cuter passport in a very long time. Like this passport I took today, so cute. I can't even lie. Very, very fine passport. Look at that. Oh, this passport is so fine. What? I'm tired. I have one or two things to do, but that will be another day. I cannot keep myself.
Much later.
2 or be 1. I don't know how. Okay, they sell it half. Oh, okay. Mimi, are you excited for the chicken suya? Let me see your face. We can't see your face because it's dark. Guys, we came out to get chicken. This is literally almost 8 p.m. We came out to get chicken from this place near us, and they sell like the most amazing chicken suya ever. Mia and I are at the back. Mia's father is driving. Mimi, you need to sit down, please, young lady.
Okay.
So you, why is it that you children don't know how to stay in one place? I want to understand. Why is it that you kids don't know how to stay one place? Why must you call, stand upside down, put your leg in one place, your head in the other? Why do you always do that? Eh? Mimi? So you want to eat some chicken?
I want to eat chicken.
You want to eat chicken? You excited? You know how this girl was jumping up and down because I told her to come, let's go and buy chicken. Ah, Omo. This is yes. Mama, this girl loves chicken past meanwhile, see me looking like a like Christian mother. This is my turban and my boo boo. Mimi. Is it a crime for you to just stay one place? Eh? Stop that. Mama, your daddy is watching our video. Can we go now? Stop biting your nails. Don't know where you learned how to bite your nails from. I know I bite my nails, but I'm wondering where she learned how to bite nails from. Hey!
If you love me just like you say you do.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So today is Sunday, and I just wanted to show you guys this. I think I showed you guys this on my Insta stories last night, but for those of course who still do not follow me on Instagram, I got this huge box from Flawless Ivy. Like, this box is so flipping huge. I can barely even see the bottom of this box. So I am embarking on a 2022 campaign with Flawless Ivy Cosmetics. I'm super excited for the opportunity. It's a huge campaign, so I mean, prepare to be seeing Flawless Ivy on my Instagram feed every single week for the rest of the year. All right, and yeah, I'm super happy about that. It's a big opportunity for me, and I'm really happy about that. They sent a whole bunch of products. Like, guys, see, the products, when I was looking at them yesterday, when I took my time to look at them yesterday, I was just like, my goodness, how much makeup can somebody use? Okay, but yeah, it's definitely for work purposes, not just to look good. It's also for work purposes. So there is a lot, like a lot, guys. Look at so many foundations, highlighters, even some of their skincare. You can see a toner here, you know, a lot of stuff. Setting spray, loose setting powder, lashes, concealers. These are their camouflage concealers, I think, right? And a whole bunch of lashes, lipsticks, eyebrow pencils, foundations, lip pencils, blushes, lipstick palettes. Powder palettes are like under. Look at that. We have like this whole concealer palette, like it's a whole lot. And look at those liners and everything. But the real purpose of me showing you guys this is just to let you know that in this life, just keep doing what you're doing, okay? Keep doing what you're doing, because who they watch you. In terms of Flawless Ivy, I have worked with Flawless Ivy from the moment they came into the Nigerian markets, from the moment they launched. That was 2016. I have been working with them, but this is like the biggest, literally the biggest job I am going to be doing for them. Imagine working for a brand and, you know, getting paid on a monthly basis for creating content. Like, that's amazing. So I'm super happy, super overjoyed about the opportunities I get, and this year is looking so good already. This year is literally just March right now, but this year is looking so good already. You know, campaigns coming and many more even coming. Like, I'm so excited because I'm just like, wow, like what? I'm super happy. You guys will definitely see more brands I will be working with in the near future, very soon. I have 1 or 2 other, you know, big campaigns coming up, and I'm just super happy. I'm super thankful. Like, thankful is the word. I'm super thankful that this small girl from Asaba's dream is coming true every single day. It's crazy. But yes, just to show you guys and let you guys know, keep doing what you're doing, keep pushing, just keep doing you, okay? And the sky can only be your limit. All right, so with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right.